Most organizations are paying for benefits their employees will never touch. Low utilization isn't an employee attitude problem. It's a measurable drain on what you've already spent, and it rarely shows up on any report. 3 things drive low utilization, and none of them are fixed by adding more benefits. Number 1, complexity. Benefits packages are hard to navigate. When employees can't quickly figure out what they have or how to access it, they opt out. Not from indifference, from confusion, and no amount of open enrollment email reminders fixes that. Number 2, financial stress. An employee behind on bills is thinking about this week, not next year. An FSA contribution, a retirement match, a supplemental insurance option, those decisions require mental bandwidth that financial stress consumes. Number 3, 1 annual window. Most organizations communicate benefits once a year. For an employee who hasn't thought about their finances in months, that window is too narrow to make a confident choice. They pick what they picked last year, or they skip it. The cost to your organization is real. When benefits go unused, your return on that spend drops. Better financial preparation before open enrollment is what moves the number. Employees who understand their own financial picture make better benefits decisions. That's good for them and for your organization. To learn more about financial wellness programming for your organization, visit financialfootwork.com.